Hi guys, with another video. Today I'm making video because I got a mail from Google that I managed to receive my silver button for YouTube. So I was happy and I was thinking not only that, I was thinking if I'm happy, why not I share my happiness with my subscriber and with my viewers, even they are not my subscriber, might be you are not my subscriber, but I still do respect you. How I can share my happiness, not from only you watching my video. It's not only about sharing and giving information, but there is something better than that. I was thinking many people when they show their Google button as like a YouTube play button, silver button, gold button or platinum and whatever, they just show and then they say okay, congratulations, thank you, blah blah, right? I was thinking I want to share my happiness with you with some unique and different way, that on my Google silver YouTube button I want to share my happiness with you. How? That I am going to give away 8 mobiles. So 3 mobiles will be Samsung Galaxy Note 9 is upcoming within 2 months. So 3 mobile will be the flagship mobile of Samsung Galaxy Note 9, and the 5 mobile will be, I was thinking make it 4 mobile, but if $1,000 one mobile, so I was thinking why not make it 200, 200, 200, 200 is become 5 extra mobile. So under the $200 range, you can choose any mid-range mobile, might be Motorola, Huawei, Xiaomi, Redmi, or any Sony Ericsson. Under $200, you can choose and can write down the comment what mobile you like. So there is a 5 option, but the flagship mobile have a 3 option. That is Samsung Galaxy Note 9. You can choose which one you like, and that is a good option. 3 flagship mobile will be not gonna change to another model, but the middle like a mid-range mobile like $200, so 5 mobiles, you can choose which one you like and write down on the comment on my 5 videos who will be the winner. You are my subscriber already. Just very easy way to find the way, like you can get it very easy. Just write down, comment my last video, whatever the last video, the new last video from up to down, or maybe after this you see this video, maybe after that have another video. So last 5 videos you have to write any comment, whatever. I hope so it will be positive. Like 5 video, last 5 video you have to like it, write the comment, and you can tell me what mobile you like it. The 5 people will be the mid-range and the 3 people will be for flagship mobiles will not gonna change, but the mid-range mobile might be, it can be Motorola or Xiaomi, Redmi, which one you like it. So I hope you like the video, but I just very happy. I was thinking share my feeling with you, and I got the mail. I will show you the mail after that, and that's all. Just if you are I am sure you are my subscriber, and even you are not my subscriber, you are watching me, you can subscribe now and write down what mobile you like it and why you like it. See you, and I will decide the date, and I will decide the time and the date when I will choose all 8 winners, all 8 people who who will get the mobile. So I will tell them congratulations to you. The reason is because of you guys, and God support me, help me, for sure I can't forget him, as I'm a Muslim and I believe on Allah. So of course with him support, but you are the guys become the to you. Congratulations to you, not to me only. The reason is if nobody watched my video, of course if you are not watching, it's a difficult to complete this milestone. So that's should to be the reward should goes to you too, right? So that's the fair thing. Nowadays people, they're making money and trying to just make money. I just upload videos sometime in 1 week for 10 days because my focus is not only the money. And I really feel that you guys give your time to my channel, you should get something on the reward, not only just say hi, thank you and bye. I mean this is only talk, right? You have to show something seriously, like I really, if you care me, I should to care you, and I will show you how I really care you. Peace.